Good morning, student. Welcome you all in the illumination and electrification of building practical video session. Today we are going to see experiment number 7. The name is build a single lamp controlled by single switch. Practical significance is properly installed electrical wiring which provides long services, less maintenance and safety. Therefore, it is necessary to perform wiring practice. Learning objectives. Practice good housekeeping with safety measures. Demonstrate working as a leader or a team member. Maintain tools and equipments. Follow ethical practices. So these are the learning objectives. Next one is motor skills or performance skill. In that, ability to wire up the circuit by fixing electrical accessories and test it. Then next is when you are completing the experiment, you are able to perform different types of electrical wiring or cable activities. To conduct this experiment, here are some apparatus are required such as one-way switch, 5 ampere 230 volt, angle holder or batten holder, 5 ampere to 230 volt. The next one is casing strip or casing caping strip, which is made by the PVC material. Next one is copper wire for the connection purpose, and the rating for single lamp controlation, 1 square mm cross section copper wire is required. And last one is incandescent lamp, which is 100 watt and 230 volt or any according to use. We can select the wattage of any wattage of lamp. Along with this apparatus, we need basic tools to perform this wiring, such as screwdriver, plier, drill machine, etc. Here is the connection arrangement. In that, one incandescent lamp and a one-way switch, also known as a piano type switch, is connected in that circuit. All this circuit is represent a series wiring. First of all, a phase wire we have to connect incoming of switch, and another terminal of one-way switch is connected to the one of the terminal of lamp holder, and the remaining terminal of lamp holder we have to connect to neutral. So with this arrangement we can perform this experiment. While turning on the switch or applying supply to that circuit, the lamp will glow. Take a look for the arrangement. This is observation when the switch is rest position or when the 0 volt is applied to the circuit, so lamp will not glow. The next one is when we apply the supply or we fade the supply and turning on the switch, the lamp is glow. So with this circuit arrangement we can perform a single lamp by single controlled switch or one-way control switch. Such kind of arrangement we can use for multiple control appliances such as lamps, such as fan, such as fluorescent tube, etc. So for the conclusion from this experiment we can conclude that with the help of circuit diagram we can build a single lamp controlled by single switch, also perform different types of electrical wiring activities. So this is conclusion for this experiment. I repeat, for this subject the MSBT haven't included or uploaded a manual so that we can create a experiment, or we have to write the observation table, title, learning objectives, motor skill, conclusion, circuit diagram in your respective subject practical notebook. So along with this video, you are ready with this material, and whenever it is necessary, just you have to snap this the write up and send it to me. Thank you.